Hey guys, Glock Perfection 23 here. I want to talk about Talon grips. These grips are the rubber granulated. Gun has been safety checked. Purchased these not too long ago. Very easy to install. They're actually laser cut. They wrap around the grip. You can use a blow dryer or a heat gun, whichever one you have available to you. You peel off the adhesive, wrap them around your grip, press firmly until they cool off. Got on the back strap all the way around, including your finger grooves. Very nice grips. They also have them in 80 grit granular sandpaper type. These again are the granulated rubber. Really nice grips. If you're looking to have grips, these are the ones for you. Glock Perfection 23. See you on my next video.